Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
By candlelights, low with a passion, low with a breeze, in crowders made by trouble is peace.
Introducing Chefcubii 4-in-1 Steam Combi Oven from FOTILE. It has the ideal capacity for all your cooking needs. A 3-layered heat-resistant door prevents heat transfer and heat loss. Cleaning an oven has never been easier with its unique steam self-clean mode. It's a steam oven, convection oven, dehydrator, and air fryer all in one product, so you can enjoy truly versatile cooking. This oven features 4 baking modes. The 3 U-shaped heating element and large air inlet help prepare foods quickly. The unique steam bake mode adds moisture while baking so your food will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Steaming is also available. It's a healthier cooking method that preserves more nutrients. Want to enjoy fried foods without the guilt? Try oil-free air fry. You can start making homemade healthy snacks with the dehydrate mode. The 40 built-in recipes offer the best time and temperature for all your favorites. Imagine and create with your Chefcubii 4-in-1 Steam Combi Oven from FOTILE.